Hello everyone, it's me again, and today I'm diving into the world of IDEs and installing one of the popular ones, Visual Studio Code. But first of all, what is an IDE? An integrated development environment is a powerful tool that combines essential features for efficient software development. It provides a code editor, debugger, and build automation tools all in one place. Now let's get hands-on and install Visual Studio Code, a versatile and user-friendly IDE that's widely used by developers around the world. Head over to code.visualstudio.com and download the installer for your operating system. You can find a plethora of expansions in the Visual Studio Code marketplace. After installation, open VS Code and let's dive into a simple coding project. Familiarize yourself with the interface and you're ready to start coding. And there you have it. You have installed Visual Studio Code, a fantastic IDE to boost your coding productivity. In the upcoming videos, I will explore more features and tips to make the most out of this powerful tool. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let's continue our coding journey together. Happy coding, and I will see you in the next video.